y'all, what's up? It's been a little while, but we're going fishing today. Don't know where yet. Spring break here in Georgia. And, well, my vacation got canceled, so we're going fishing. And, yeah, I will update y'all when we know where we're gonna go. We gotta put them into four-wheel drive, you know. You gotta keep it real up in here because, you know, you're gonna go off-roading, you're gonna do some stuff, and you're just gonna need them. So we're just gonna put them on and be good. I'm joking, y'all. They're always in four-wheel drive. Don't be kidding. Corbin's fishing with a worm today, a real one, and I'm fishing with this squirmy worm right there, and we'll see who actually catches something. We're going out here. We're at Boggs Creek because Dix Creek was closed because of the coronavirus. So, yeah, about to fish down here, trying to find a place that isn't shallow that will actually hold fish. So when we do, I will turn the camera on and show y'all. That's his outfit of the day right now. Yeah, let's get going. Leave that loser behind. Alright, I think I found a place that's deep enough maybe to hold fish. Down there, there's a nice hole down there, but I think people are down there. But good thing is, we found some fireball right there.
Baby, I'm a fireball.
Some energy to catch them. Y'all, keep it a secret, but it's Corbin's birthday on Sunday, and same day as Easter. So y'all be wishing him a happy birthday. Caught a little minnow. I caught nothing. But yeah, that's his best catch ever.
No, it's not.
So we didn't catch anything here besides that minnow that Corbin caught. So we might go somewhere else. We might go to this little lake/pond thing we saw. Catch some brim, maybe, or we might just go to some other creek or river. So yeah. How was your fishing experience today, right now?
It was okay.
How did you feel about catching that little minnow?
It was good, I guess.
Okay, so we're down here at the Amicalola, and I think it's about like 2 o'clock, and we're just gonna fish right here maybe, and then if we don't catch anything here, we may head up to where we usually fish at the river. He apparently got a bite, so yeah.
No worm on here.
His worm fell off, so. Is
What?
we got him another little big old minnow.
I need you to come over here, Daddy.
We gotta get him on. There's a big old crawdad down there. Get in there.
Really harvest.
River's not too cold. Take off those screens, baby. Still got on the same squirmy worm. So if we don't catch anything on it, then I may try a woolly booger. We'll just see. So everything goes. when it looks like a fish should be here. Get out a little bit more. I don't get caught up in a tree. You got this fish. Right out there. Alright, start reeling it. There you go. You did good. You did good. It's up, Brim. Yeah. Hold on. Just a little Brim right there. I knew there was something in there. Oh.
1, 2, 3. I got it.
Got the. There we go. That's how we get her done. And now you gotta get her done.